Imagine biting into a burst of sweet, tangy flavor, the ruby red seeds bursting with juice. This is the delight of eating pomegranates. Welcome, nutrition navigators. Did you know that this delectable fruit might hold the keys to astonishing health benefits? Often lauded as a superfood, pomegranates are not just a tasty snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that have been revered since ancient times for their medicinal properties. Forget your daily multivitamin. Pomegranates could be the natural health booster you've been missing in your diet. Pomegranates have been celebrated not just for their unique taste, but for their medicinal properties across various ancient civilizations. The ancient Egyptians regarded the pomegranate as a symbol of prosperity and ambition. Meanwhile, in Greek mythology, the fruit is often linked to life and regeneration, a favorite of the goddess Persephone. Ayurvedic texts from India detail pomegranates as a remedy for parasites and diarrhea, illustrating their integral role in ancient wellness practices. The consistent reverence for pomegranates through the ages lays a robust foundation for their considered benefits. Historical usage in traditional medicine often predates and informs modern scientific inquiry, leading to an ever-expanding understanding of the fruit's potential roles in health and disease management. Diving into the science of nutrition, pomegranates are no less than a nutritional symphony. They are packed with powerful antioxidants, including punicalagin, which are unique to pomegranates and have higher activity than that of green tea. These crucial molecules help fight oxidative stress, a key player in the aging process, and many chronic diseases. Pomegranates are also a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Unpacking the nutrient content of pomegranates reveals why they are so formidable in combating health ailments. The antioxidants in pomegranates not only aid in reducing inflammation, but they also support heart health by maintaining healthy blood flow and reducing plaque in the arteries. Backed by science, modern studies on pomegranates and health have brought significant credibility to the long-standing claims about this fruit. Research has demonstrated pomegranate's effectiveness in lowering high blood pressure and combating certain types of cancer thanks to their high antioxidant levels. In a 2017 study, pomegranate extract was found to inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties have shown potential in treating conditions like arthritis and heart disease, making pomegranates an essential candidate in the mission against chronic disease. This scientific backing not only affirms the historical uses of pomegranates, but also encourages further exploration into how this fruit can be harnessed in modern medicine and daily health practices. With each study, pomegranates confirm their reputation as a guardian of health. Ensuring pomegranates are a part of your diet can be both delicious and beneficial. Here are some simple ways to include this superfood in your daily routine. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds over your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a burst of flavor. Blend them into your smoothies or use the juice as a tangy salad dressing base. For a savory twist, incorporate pomegranate seeds into salads or use them as a garnish on grilled meat dishes. Moreover, for those who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, pomegranate molasses can be a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes, adding a touch of richness and depth to your cooking. In conclusion, pomegranates are more than just a palate-pleasing fruit. They are a multifaceted health booster that history and science have repeatedly proved beneficial. Whether aiming to improve heart health, combat chronic inflammation, or simply enrich your diet with high-quality nutrients, pomegranates hold the key. Start cracking open this treasure trove of health today, and tune into a healthier you with every seed. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. Do not forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.